In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your website Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video on your page using the native video block, open its settings, and add your content so it looks clean and plays smoothly for your visitors. Start with your page open in the Squarespace editor. When you're ready to place a video, move your cursor to the spot on the page where you want it to appear. You'll see an insert point appear between sections or within a layout area. Click Add Block. This opens the block library, which is where all the building pieces for your page live. If you're not seeing the exact place you want it first, nudge your cursor slightly until the insert point lands where you need it. The preview line will show you the position before you commit. In the block library, select Video. You can scroll through the categories or type video into the search bar to find it faster. As soon as you choose the video block, a placeholder appears on the page so you can visualize spacing and alignment. This is helpful for checking how it sits alongside text or images, and you can always adjust layout later. Next, double-click the video block. This opens the settings panel where you control the content and appearance. The settings are the heart of this process. They determine what video plays, what thumbnail shows, and how the block behaves on desktop and mobile. If the panel doesn't pop up immediately, take a moment to ensure you're double-clicking right on the block area rather than nearby elements. Now click Add a Video. This is where you connect your content. You'll see options to add a link from a popular hosting platform or to select a file from your device, depending on your plan and needs. If you're linking, make sure the video is publicly viewable or set to unlisted so it can load on your site. If you're uploading, lighter files tend to stream more smoothly. An MP4 encoded with H.264 and a 16:9 aspect ratio is a safe, widely compatible choice. You can also set a custom thumbnail image for a polished first impression and add a title and description to improve clarity and accessibility. Autoplay, mute, and loop settings can be helpful for background visuals, though many visitors prefer to press play with sound off by default. That's the full flow. Add a block, choose video, open its settings, and add your video. With those steps complete, your page now features engaging, easy-to-watch content that looks great across devices.